Alright guys, welcome back. His Sting Racer. His volume all the way down. Oof oof. Alright, so today finally playing Murder Mystery. And like, I'm sorry for like moving weird. I'm on a computer. No! Yay! I can use this. Oh yeah, sorry. It's because this computer is touchscreen. I can do this or just let go, use the keyboard. Like I'll rather use the keyboard because I need to get used to this. Now I am like, wait. Lolo. Why did I say Lolo? Alright, so I'm playing with this girl called Samla. Hey, follow me. That's my girl impression. Sorry, I can't move. Ugh. Okay, use my thingy where I can. What? What? Ow! Cry. I spelled that wrong. Nita. Dang it, I can't spell. There. It's a girl. It's girl. It's newbie. Newbie. It's newbie. No offense, but that's what I call you for now. Show's ticket. Don't tell me that guy has a. This is the first time I'm coming here since. Alright, guys, tell me if I should make a video soon, but like a Roblox video or a Fortnite video. Who knows? Maybe it could be like. Gosh. Shoot her! I wonder what that girl said when I said newbie. Okay, no offense. It's newbie. Can see that. Me too. Okay. She's rude. Rude. Hey, I need. Let me see. Shop. Oh, dang it. That floss though. Perks. No, you can't see that. You can't see my perks. Yeah, I have gloves now. Yeah, this is me. Yeah. Write down in the comments if I should get like a new outfit. Boop. Oh. Alright. This video will end soon because I can't use it too long. And this video is pretty short because like this is it's literally night. It's like 7 or something and I'm kind of sick right now. I just sang and like my voice hurts, so like sorry if this video ends very soon. I think we can go like 2 or 1 more minute. I don't know. Okay. Alright. We'll just wait until someone kills me and I'll end this video. Just. Oh, wow. Oh. Alright, guys. We'll end it here. I forgot to say the intro. Oh. She knows what I said. So, comment down below if you want me to play another Roblox game and tell me which one. And I'll probably add you. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification button, because if you don't, your favorite mountain will get destroyed and never come back again. And hit that like button, because it's gonna die. So that's a weird pose. Oh no, I'm Sheriff. Well, see you, bye. Okay, bye.